breaking news from KXAN News.
And we start with that breaking news this morning. An Austin man just pled guilty to a 2022 Halloween night murder.
And jury selection for 26-year-old Gavin Roberts was originally set to happen today, but instead he entered that guilty plea. Let's get straight to our Dylan McKim at the Travis County Courthouse. So Dylan, exactly what happened?
Hey, it was a busy day today outside that hallway of the courtroom. There was at least 60 people there getting ready for that jury selection process. That was what's supposed to happen today, that jury selection. But of course, there is no longer a need for that trial because both sides have come to an agreement. Gavin Roberts was in the courtroom today. He pled guilty to the murder of Justin Hayden. And part of that deal, he is now sentenced to 50 years in prison. Also, his other charge of tampering with a corpse, that has been dismissed and he has been credited with time served. That's about 430 days. Now, if you remember back in September of last year, Roberts originally pled not guilty, I should say. He pled not guilty in this case. I spoke to his attorney today, Leslie Booker. She told me that at that time, the state prosecutors had not offered anything, so they were not ready to plead guilty just yet, but that Roberts always wanted to take responsibility for what he did.
Mr. Roberts has always wanted to take responsibility for what happened, and he's confessed, and he wanted to plead guilty, and we were able to reach a deal. So we were able to resolve the case without taking the family through the horrible ordeal.
Now, that family and friends, they were in the courtroom today as Roberts was pleading guilty. Tomorrow morning, they'll be back in the courtroom for allocution. That's where the family and the friends of the victim, they'll get a chance to say some words and speak their mind in the courtroom. It's also possible we could hear from Gavin Roberts tomorrow, issue an apology to the family to show his remorse in the courtroom. I was told by his attorney that he did write an apology letter to the family before today. Reporting live in downtown, Dylan McKim, KXAN News.